What's up, y'all? We about to do a curly hair tutorial using Cake Beauty Volumizing Styling Foam and Cake Beauty Curl Cream. So boom, look at this bird's nest on top of my head. It's a mess. It's not it. So we're about to go in and dampen your hair. Not wet, not dripping wet, but you're just going to dampen it. Then you're going to use a wide tooth comb and comb it out. Get all them knots out of your head. Then you're going to use a dime-sized amount of curl cream on each side. Spread it on there evenly, rake it through. I use the praying hand method because I think that's the best method to me, in my opinion. So boom, boom, boom. And then you're gonna use a lot of mousse and then you're gonna rake it through, scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it. Scrunching adds definition. It gives you the shape that you need. Do not neglect your roots. Make sure you go in the roots because that's what gives you the lift and the volume that you need. And scrunch, 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 especially towards the front, because I hate when I get hair in my face. So you're just gonna scrunch it out and keep scrunching. If you don't hear the squishing sound, then you're not scrunching it right and your hair's not wet enough and there's not enough product. Look at that definition, it's popping. Boom. All right, so now we're about to go in with the diffuser. I got the cheapest diffuser and blow dryer on the market. I think it's from Target. And then you're gonna, pretty much just cuff the curls inside of the diffuser. It gives it the shape that you need. And then I would hover around like so until it's dry. And you just go crazy with that. And then boom, you get popping curls like this. Wow. Like this is popping. Like no one could tell me nothing with this, period.